Hello everyone, welcome to Miracle Recipes. Today I'll be preparing a very yummy and tasty Methi chicken curry. The main highlight of this curry is methi leaves and fresh cream and is an amazing combination. So let's get started. Heat a pan and pour in about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. To it add ginger and garlic 1 tablespoon each and give it a slight mix. Add 1 finely chopped onion and mix it well. Then add 1 small tomato and mix it until it turns light golden in color. Then add chicken. I have taken 1 kilogram and mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon chicken masala, half a teaspoon coriander powder, a quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 2.5 tablespoons of methi leaves, and salt as required. Now mix it until it is well combined. Normally, this curry is served as a thick gravy, so for 1 kilogram of chicken, don't pour more than 1 cup of water. Close the lid and let it cook. Once it is almost cooked, keep it in a low flame and add 100 grams of fresh cream. Now mix it until it is well combined. Then add half a teaspoon garam masala and some coriander leaves. Mix it well and let it cook for another 2 minutes. And now our methi chicken curry is ready to be served. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with another delicious recipe.